Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Saturday and I'm in a good mood, and that is because I am getting my hair done today. I'm sitting in the parking lot waiting for my appointment, which is in at least I think 30 minutes from now. And the reason I'm getting my hair done is because a couple of months back I did a botch trim myself and my hair is so uneven and I'm so tired of looking at that, so I'm here to get it corrected. So I'm going to get a shampoo and condition. I'm going to get a silk press. I'll explain that in a minute. And then she's going to trim my hair in layers so that I can have a more voluminous look. I want more volume to my hair. If I just straighten it now, it's just gonna be straight and bland, and I'm sick of that look. I want something different. I really want to cut my hair very short, but Anthony's not for that at all. I want a pixie cut. He's like, no, keep your hair the way that it is. And I have been natural for 9 years now. I have not applied heat to my hair in about over a year, and I have not had anybody manipulate or do anything to my hair professionally within the last 6 or 7 years. So today says a lot. And the reason I don't straighten my hair is because the humidity here is ridiculous. The moment I step outside, poof, okay? I don't have that time to go home and continue to press it out. Plus that's more, you know, that's unhealthy. And I don't like to apply heat to my hair. I really do enjoy my natural state. But today is the only reason I'm getting this done, so that she can trim my hair accurately, and at least I can enjoy it for a couple of days, because it's probably only gonna last 3 or 4 days. Hopefully when I go inside I can vlog my experience for you guys. If not, then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. So we'll see.
It's healthy. Thick all the way to the end.
And it's so thin now. Oh man, I haven't seen this in a year. Thank you. Jeez. Hey. What you think, honey? I know. You haven't seen my hair like this in over a year.
Yeah. It's flowing like I ain't trying to be racial, nothing like that, but you know, it's real nice.
Take it over.
You guys play hide and go seek?
I know. Come on now.
I see you.
You're on my shoe. You know the shoe.
My shoe done came untied. See how the Mr. 300, Mr. 300, called the 300 movie, you know?
How long I was sitting, shoelaces.
Whoa.
Yeah, it took about 4 hours, but that was okay. So I just had her trim the bad ends, and I had her layer. I want her to layer the rest of it. So I'm gonna go back every 3 months at least, or something like that, so I can keep up with the maintenance. But overall, I like it. It's a new me. Can't complain.
How long is it gonna last for?
Not an hour. I only say that because you know the humidity outside is horrible, and it's unfortunate that I can't keep my hair like this for a very long time.
Yeah.
So, but you know what? I'm gonna enjoy it, embrace it while I have it. All right, guys, it's time for an update. It is day number 3, and my hair has survived the heat and the rain. May God be the glory. But I do remember in the beginning of my vlog, I mentioned that I wanted my hair cut in layers, and I just got caught up in good conversation. The whole staff was nice. I enjoyed myself that I just forgot. I didn't double check, and it's not a big deal for me at all. I didn't have to pay extra for it, and as long as my hair was cut the way that I had asked her to, and it's growing, you know, it's going to grow back in a healthy state, I am good to go. Now, I did mention to her the products that I was using, which was Pantene Pro V, and she mentioned that it wasn't the best type of product to use for my hair texture. I am a 3C4A type, and I have very low porosity hair, and I've struggled for many years trying to find products that work best for my hair, and I'm still on that journey of struggle. Okay, but what I did do, I went ahead and bought the Shea Moisture yogurt and honey line, I believe, and I read the reviews. I'm okay with what I saw, and so I want to try it out, and I'll wait until my hair either reverts or it's time for me to wash it and give that a shot, and we'll go from there. Now, I will explain why I decided to go natural. 9 years ago, I watched this movie or documentary called Good Hair by Chris Rock. Never went back. I would never put that creamy crack in my hair again, okay? And it's nothing against anybody else that chooses to do so. It's just not for me. At that point in time of my transition, I never knew my true hair texture. My hair has always been relaxed since a very young age, and it's unfortunate. You know, I'm not blaming anybody. It's just being uneducated in that sense, and that's the reason why I don't promote that for my kids. I tell them to embrace their hair the way that it is, and it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks about it, okay? There are so many ways that you can embrace your hair type and still be happy and confident within yourself, and that's all I got to say about that. But I will be back in January to get another trim, and after that I will not be applying any more heat to my hair until maybe a year or 2 from now. I want to see how fast it grows, how healthy it grows, and I want it back to where it was before it was cut. So we'll see. I'll give you guys an update during that time frame, and that's really it. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, why not? And I'll see you guys next week on a Wednesday. Bye.